Effective replacement, designed to match the fit and function of the stock brake dust shield on specific vehicle applications. Longer service life, corrosion-resistant steel construction protects brakes from elements and debris. Ideal fix, directly replaces highly deterioration-prone original part. Precision engineered, has undergone dimensional verification and salt spray testing to ensure quality. Ensure fit. To make sure this part fits your exact vehicle, input your make, model and trim level into the garage tool. Top reviews from the United States. Excellent replacement part. I replaced 2 rusted-out dust shields on my '01 Tahoe. They were exact replacements, fit perfectly and constructed well. I did paint them to protect from future corrosion. I would recommend these if you need to replace them.